Yeah, T-A-N-Y-O. Gorgeous flow. 410. Blow! Now tell me what's really going on. Bitch, I'm from Bonaparte at the top, ducking with a knot. Tay gon' pot, let it chop, watch his body ride. Coke, you be the illest by they head like you know you not. Ducking with a trill, nigga like me and we run the block. And this track is fire, I'm the truth, no lie. Stacking they get by, roller they get high. Coke what they made for, I think they cash low. Put a blow in your head, a bitch call you an asshole. You niggas got no say so do what I say so. For now just lay low, let me just stack though. I'm destined to blow, my alter ego. HB we double one, but Tay I be the zero. That mean that I'm below, the radar with about 3 O's. Hit the block, collect though, anxious to let go. I'm destined to blow, they mad, yeah I already know. Go. Why you niggas mad? Cause I see you over there doing bad. Fuck with bad bitches, I got bad bitches. I got mad bitches, y'all got sad bitches. I told her give me that. If she say take, you can have it. I told her I'ma go off just like a rabbit. If you say no, then all I hear is static. Catch me on the block and I'm surrounded by these addicts. Got the block jumping, got the block dumping. Don't come through if you ain't trying to get nothing. Bitch, I'm so hood, in the hood was really good. So tell me what's really going on. I'm chillin' with a bad bitch and she give me charm. Nigga trip on me, hollow bullets ripping through 'em. No they won't graze 'em, straight ripping through 'em. Fuck 'em, duck 'em, the law. Ball to I fall, yeah. Fuck 'em all, fuck 'em all. I'm so fucking raw, I'm from Baltimore. You hear the way I say it? I'm so proper, posted on the block, and I'm watching for these knockers, praying on my downfall. Too hard stopper. You shit kill for real in the field, nigga. But I promote the positive, Don't get me wrong, cause I put blood all on my hands. Don't pick me wrong, cause I put blood all on your fangs. Claiming you're a rapper, bitch, I'm quick to clap ya. T-A-N-Y-O.